Listen carefully. It makes a squeaking sound when I turn to the direction. If you go to a car repair shop, how much do you think they will charge you? It's obviously very cheap and easy to repair. But when I go to the car repair shop, half a year's salary is gone. Today I will tell you all my experience. First, it makes a squeaking sound when turning the direction. Don't change the steering wheel. We only need to spend $8. Replace the flat bearing on the shock absorber. The problem is solved. Second, when passing the speed bump, the car made a squeaking sound. Don't repair the chassis. We only need to spend $2. Replace the rubber sleeve of the balance rod. The problem is solved. Third, the car buzzes when driving on the highway. The faster the speed, the louder the sound. Don't check the engine. We only need to spend $10. Replace the wheel core bearing. The problem is solved. Fourth, the car made a loud noise when turning around. It's not another problem. We only need to spend $17. Replace the outer ball cage. The problem is solved. Fifth, the car made a loud noise while walking on the concrete road. We only need to spend $7. Replace the shock absorber core. The problem is solved. Sixth, when the car starts, the belt makes a chirping sound. Don't listen to the nonsense of the repair shop and go to overhaul the engine. We just need to pour a little water on this belt. If the sound disappears, let's tighten this belt again. The problem is solved. Seventh, the brakes squeak when you step on them. Never spend money on brake repairs. We just need to drive the car to an open area. Slam on the brakes a few times. This solves the problem. Is this knowledge very practical? I am Hermione. Follow me.